Tura MP Saleng Sangma today reaffirmed that the Congress party will put up a strong fight in the upcoming Gambegre by-election. Speaking to media, he noted that the ruling party's heavy involvement with the Chief Minister, ministers and MLAs actively campaigning signifies that the people of Gambegre have already won. He added that the ruling ministers should address the real issues of the constituency while campaigning. Sangma expressed confidence that the people are with the Congress and the party will give its best effort to secure victory in the polls.
Okay, thank you. Thank you all the
You see, I have not seen Chief Minister campaigning door to door in any of the constituency, not even in his constituency. But right now he's jumping up to the, area where he was supposed not to also. But I'm glad and happy that he could see, through the Gambegre, that what are the areas that needed to be projected to. Okay. Now, because of his wife only, he is going door to door and colony to colony and village to village. I'm happy that now, this by-election has pulled down each and every minister, pulled them down to the ground to see what are the reality that people are facing.